Today, we're going to tour 1201 East Campbell Avenue in Gilbert, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Gilbert, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Gilbert. Welcome to this inviting 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac right next to Freestone Park. With a split floor plan and thoughtful design, this home offers a perfect balance of comfort and functionality. Inside, you'll find beautiful wood and tile flooring, elegant shutters, and soaring vaulted ceilings that create a bright, open feel throughout. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry, ideal for both everyday living and easy entertaining. Step outside to enjoy your private backyard oasis, featuring a sparkling pool and a covered patio, perfect for outdoor dining or relaxing in the Arizona sun. This home is located in a vibrant community with incredible amenities, including access to a fishing lake, multiple sports courts, batting cages, a skate park, and scenic walking and cycling paths. Recent upgrades include a newer AC and water heater, offering peace of mind and added efficiency. A roomy 2-car garage completes the package, offering plenty of storage and parking. 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office setup. The bedrooms also come with ceiling fans to keep you cool and comfy year-round. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Other great features of this home include a washer and dryer for added convenience. The spacious primary suite is a true retreat. It comes with a walk-in closet, remodeled dual sinks, and a separate tub and shower. This Gilbert gem won't last long. Schedule your tour today.